Everything beginners need to know about the keto diet. The ketogenic diet, commonly known as the keto diet, has gained immense popularity in recent years for its potential to promote weight loss and improve overall health. This high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan has been embraced by individuals seeking to shed excess pounds, enhance athletic performance, and even manage certain medical conditions. Keto diet is quite similar to the Atkins diet. Keto and Atkins are both low-carb diets that may aid weight loss by burning fat and reducing your calorie intake. The only difference is that on Atkins, you gradually increase your carb intake, while it remains very low on the keto diet. Many people have tried the keto diet and found success with the program as a quick way to lose weight. However, it is also important to weigh the sustainability of the diet against the associated health risks. For best results in achieving your health and nutrition goals, you should work with a registered dietitian in order to create a plan that suits your lifestyle. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into various aspects of the keto diet, from its fundamental principles to its potential benefits and risks. Understanding the basics. What is the ketogenic diet? The ketogenic diet promotes high consumption of healthy fats, moderate protein intake, and minimal carbohydrates. When carbohydrate intake is significantly reduced, the body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. During ketosis, the body changes its main fuel source from glucose obtained from carbohydrates to ketones produced from stored fat. This metabolic shift is fundamental to the diet's effectiveness, especially for individuals aiming for weight loss. The goal of a ketogenic diet is to reach a state of ketosis through fat metabolism. As long as your body is starved of carbohydrates, your metabolism will remain ketogenic. The mechanism of ketosis. Burning fat for fuel. The process of ketosis is utilizing fat as energy. Ketosis is a natural metabolic state that arises when the body lacks its typical energy source, carbohydrates. During this phase, the liver generates ketones from stored fat, acting as an alternate fuel for the body and brain. Ketosis is a process that occurs when your body does not have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy. Instead, it burns fat and produces something called ketones that can be used as fuel. This change enables effective fat burning, rendering the keto diet appealing to individuals seeking to optimize weight loss. Managing carbohydrate intake. A fundamental aspect of keto. Central to the success of the ketogenic diet is the strict restriction of carbohydrate intake. By minimizing the consumption of foods rich in sugars and starches, individuals can induce and maintain ketosis. Many keto enthusiasts use a keto calculator to determine their optimal daily carbohydrate allowance, ensuring they stay within the range required for ketosis, while still meeting essential nutritional needs. Weight loss on the keto diet. Fast and sustainable or questionable? Many people choose the keto diet because it is known for promoting fast and sustainable weight loss. When the body uses fat for energy instead of carbohydrates, it becomes a highly effective fat-burning system. This can result in a notable decrease in body weight, making the keto diet an appealing choice for those seeking to lose weight rapidly and efficiently. While some people have found success in losing weight on the keto diet, its sustainability and long-term health effects can be a topic of debate. What you can eat while on the keto diet. You can eat food high in fat, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. Keto-friendly foods include eggs, avocados, olive oil, asparagus, cauliflower, and bell peppers. On the other hand, it is best to avoid foods high in carbohydrates, such as cakes, pasta, fruit chips, candy, crackers, and different types of bread. Are you finding the video useful so far? Well, the next point will surely surprise you. But before we continue, why not press the like and subscribe button for more videos like this? Do not forget to check out the description box below to get your own custom keto diet plan. What is the keto flu? Although it is termed flu, this is not like the normal flu, and could be due to carbohydrate withdrawal. People on the keto diet normally experience the keto flu 2 to 7 days after starting it. The flu-like symptoms include fatigue, moderate headache, irritability, nausea, sleeping difficulty, and constipation. Fortunately, not everyone who starts the keto diet experiences these symptoms, and even if they do, it will subside after some time, as most people get used to the keto diet. It is generally recommended to consult your registered dietitian before you start the keto diet. Beyond weight loss. Benefits for athletes and endurance. The keto diet is well known for promoting weight loss, but its benefits go beyond just shedding pounds. Athletes have taken notice of the keto diet's potential to improve endurance and athletic performance. Because the keto diet prioritizes fat as the main energy source, athletes may enjoy consistent energy levels without the ups and downs linked to consuming carbohydrates. Managing diabetes. The role of ketogenic diet in blood glucose control. The keto diet has demonstrated potential for people with type 2 diabetes or those looking for better blood glucose control. By lowering carbohydrate consumption, the diet assists in managing blood sugar levels and enhancing insulin sensitivity, which can be advantageous for individuals with diabetes in the long term. Nutrient deficiencies and heart health. While the keto diet offers various health benefits, it is essential to be mindful of potential nutrient deficiencies. Due to the limited food choices in the diet, individuals may need to supplement with key nutrients, such as calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and folic acid, to ensure optimal health. Additionally, concerns have been raised about the diet's impact on heart health, with a focus on cholesterol levels and saturated fat intake. It is crucial for individuals considering the keto diet to consult with healthcare professionals to address these concerns and tailor the diet to their specific needs. Monitoring ketosis. For those committed to the keto lifestyle, monitoring ketosis is a key aspect of ensuring success. Ketone strips, which measure the presence of ketones in urine, are a popular tool for assessing the body's metabolic state. Regular testing provides valuable feedback, helping individuals make necessary adjustments to maintain ketosis and optimize the benefits of the keto diet. In conclusion, the ketogenic diet offers a unique approach to weight loss, blood glucose control, and athletic performance. While it may not be suitable for everyone, many individuals have experienced positive results by adopting and adhering to the principles of the keto diet. As with any significant dietary change, it is crucial to consult with healthcare professionals to ensure the diet aligns with individual health goals and addresses potential concerns. With proper guidance, the keto diet can be a powerful tool for those seeking a transformative journey towards improved health and well-being.